Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Series about unlocking the secret to gaining the deepest respect from women. You are lucky! I reveal 15 great secrets that every man must understand to win the respect of the woman in his life and win her heart. Trust me, these strategies have proven themselves, over time, to be incredibly powerful and reliable. So, get comfortable, keep your senses sharp, and prepare yourself for an extraordinary leap in your dating game. You don't want to miss a moment of this transformative guide. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Ready to take the plunge? Let's get started. Women deeply respect men who apply this? Number 1, be consistent. Women respect a man who is consistent in his words, actions, and behavior. They value stability and reliability, knowing that you will be the same person today, tomorrow, and the day. This doesn't mean you can't grow or change, but it does mean your core values and the way you treat her remain the same. Consistency shows you're genuine and trustworthy, and it's a respectable winner there. Number 2, show yourself respect. Respect is a two-way street. If you don't respect yourself, it's hard to expect others, including the woman in your life, to respect you. Take care of your health, pursue your passions, stand up for your beliefs, and don't let anyone treat you badly, including yourself. When you value and respect yourself, it creates a positive self-image and sets a precedent for how others should treat you. Number 3, emotional availability. The days of men don't cry are over. Of course, women respect men who are in touch with their feelings and are not afraid to express them. Being emotionally available doesn't mean you're weak. It means you are human. It shows maturity, understanding, and a willingness to connect on a deeper level. So don't hesitate to express your feelings. Whether you are happy, sad, or worried, let her know. Emotional availability fosters connection, and connection breeds respect. Number 4, appreciation. Women don't just want to hear you say, I love you, nay. They want to feel loved and appreciated. It is incredibly essential but often overlooked. How do you make her feel loved, valued, and appreciated? Here's the secret, gentlemen. It is an appreciation of her unique personality, her strengths, her quirks, and even her weaknesses. Don't just wait for special occasions to express your gratitude. Every day gives us an opportunity to appreciate the people in our lives. Surprise her with a just gift. Leave a sweet note expressing how much you appreciate her, or take a moment to tell her how special she is. Acknowledge the little things she does that make your life better. All these gestures, big or small, communicate your appreciation and admiration. Women are keen observers, and believe me, they will notice these details and appreciate you. Appreciation breeds respect. It's a two-way street, my friends. Actions speak louder than words, gentlemen. Show your appreciation in ways that matter to her. Is she a fan of handwritten notes? Put one in the fridge. Did she nail a presentation at work? Send her flowers to wish her well? Even small gestures like saying thank you for her efforts can make a big difference. Show genuine appreciation for who she is and what she does, and her respect for you will skyrocket. Number 5, practice humility. Humility does not mean submissiveness or lack of confidence. It's about admitting that you're not infallible and that you're open to learning. There is great strength in admitting when you are wrong and asking for help when you need it. Show her you respect her insights and opinions by asking for her perspective. Let her know you value her intelligence and wisdom by admitting that you don't have all the answers. Even in disagreements, being humble enough to see her point of view and admit your mistakes can be a game changer. This characteristic communicates that you are not a selfish person who ignores the opinions and feelings of others. It's a powerful way to earn respect, and trust me, the results are worth it. Number 6, assisting. Life is a journey full of ups and downs, challenges and triumphs, failures and successes, and who better to navigate it than a supportive partner? Support isn't just about being there when she hits a rough patch, although that's also essential. It's about celebrating her successes, motivating her to pursue her dreams and providing constructive feedback to help her grow. Be the sounding board for her ideas and plans. Comfort her when she is upset and give her the courage to step out of her comfort zone. Genuine support includes encouragement, patience, and sometimes an ear when she needs to vent. By being her unwavering pillar of support, you will not only strengthen your bond, but also earn her deep respect. Number 7, show empathy. It is not only about understanding one's feelings, but also about sharing their emotional experiences. It's about putting yourself in her shoes and trying to understand her perspective. It could be a rough day at work, a heated argument with a friend, or a happy occasion. Let her know you are with her and feel for her. Remember, empathy builds deep emotional connections, and those connections build respect. Number 8, be faithful. Be a man of your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Whether it's picking her up from work, helping her with an errand, or being there when she needs you, following through on your commitments shows you're trustworthy. The trust you build by being trustworthy is a cornerstone of respect. So, gentlemen, let's do it to be reliable, to be someone she can always count on. Number 9, respect others. How you treat others, especially when you think no one is watching, says a lot about your character. Whether it's your dinner waiter, your friends, or your coworkers, women observe how you interact with others. So be polite, be kind, and treat others with the same respect you wish for yourself. Showing respect to others shows a woman that you have empathy and a sense of fairness, which earns respect in return. Number 10, foster open communication. It's not just about talking, it's about being open, transparent, and honest with each other. Share your thoughts, feelings, aspirations, and even fears. Be open to her ideas and suggestions. Being transparent helps build a foundation of trust and honesty in a relationship, 2 key elements in gaining respect. So, friends, talk, share, listen, and build that connection. Number 11, encourage her independence. Remember, a healthy relationship is 2 whole people sharing a life together, not 2 complete halves. Each person in the relationship should have their own identity, interests, and personal space. Encourage her to pursue her hobbies, spend time with her friends, and develop her personal growth. Supporting her independence shows that you respect her as an individual. It shows that you're safe enough in the relationship to let her be her own person, and it's an instant esteem booster, gentlemen. Number 12, respect her boundaries. Each person has their own limits, physical, emotional, mental, and time limits. Violating these can be very disrespectful. It is essential to understand, accept, and respect these limitations. Ask for consent and respect her space, time, and emotional state. If she doesn't want to share something, don't press. If she needs time to herself, support her decision. Respecting boundaries tells a woman that you value her as an individual, and that, my friends, earns a lot of respect. Number 13, active listening. Guys, sometimes we are so excited to solve a problem or give advice that we forget to listen. When a woman shares her thoughts, feelings, or problems, she's not necessarily asking you to come up with a solution. She appreciates your empathy, attention, and understanding. So, the next time you're having a conversation with a woman, slow down your urge to settle everything. Lean in, maintain eye contact, and actively listen. Respond to her thoughts and feelings, validate her experiences, and show that you really care about what she has to say. It is a simple but powerful way to gain respect. Number 14, practice patience. Everyone has their own pace and way of doing things, whether it is how she deals with her stress, making choices, or even her personal growth. It is very important to the affected person. Every man or woman walks their own path, and it is important to respect and honor that journey. Impatience can lead to frustration and stress, creating unnecessary tension in dating. Persistence, on the other hand, shows understanding, love, and recognition for her individuality and independence. When you demonstrate persistence, you send an effective message of recognition and support. You allow her to understand who you are for her, no matter how long it takes, no matter what the challenges are. Patience is not just about waiting. It's about actively deciding to offer her the time and space she wants to thrive. It is a signal of your commitment to her beauty and especially your willingness to prioritize her happiness. So, my friends, remember the importance of patience in building a strong and healthy relationship. It's not always clean anymore, but it's worth it in the end. By showing persistence, you're not just earning her respect anymore. You're deepening your bond and setting the stage for a long-term relationship built on love and knowledge. Number 15. There is integrity. Consistency is like a guiding light, even when no one is around to see your movements. It's about holding yourself to a high standard no matter the circumstances. When you have integrity, you simply don't do the easy or massive things. You do what is morally right. It's about being honest, accountable, and defending your ideas, whether in the face of temptation or adversity. Women deeply appreciate a man who acts through his convictions and with integrity, realizing that he can be trusted to do the right thing no matter the situation. It is this unwavering commitment to honesty and moral integrity that earns praise and admiration. Integrity may not be constantly highlighted, however, it shines brightly in the eyes of people who value honesty and righteousness. So, gentlemen, hold fast to your integrity, for it is the foundation on which true worth is built, and it will lead you in the direction of an existence full of honor and dignity.